Purposive communication. Sherlyn May DeClayan, BSP First Year, Communication Aids, and Strategies Using Tools of Technology, Communication Aids. A communication aid helps an individual to communicate more effectively with people around them. Communication aids are also referred to as an AEC device. AEC refers to augmentative and alternative communication, which is defined as a huge range of techniques which support or replace spoken communication. These include gesture, signing, symbols, word boards, communication boards, and books, as well as voice output communication aids (VOCAs). There are two main types of AEC system: unaided communication and aided communication. Unaided communication does not use additional equipment. Body language, gesture, vocalization, signing are typically used. Aided communication uses equipment, but this ranges from low-tech to high-tech methods, with pictures and symbols often used instead of or together with words, and with alternative hardware options available to provide access. Communication strategies. Communication is the exchange of information between a sender and a receiver. It used to be that you only had to worry about the way you communicated face-to-face or on paper. Technology has changed this completely. It is important for people to take into account every aspect of how they are relaying information. This is where communication strategies come into play. Communication strategies are the blueprints for how this information will be exchanged. Types of communication strategies. Verbal communication strategies can be broken down into the two categories of written and oral communication. Written strategies consist of avenues such as email, text, and chat. Examples that fall into the oral category are phone calls, video chats, and face-to-face conversation. Nonverbal communication strategies consist of mostly visual cues, such as body language, facial expressions, physical distance between communicators, or the tone of your voice. These cues are typically not intended. However, it is important to realize the message you are sending. Visual communication strategies can be seen through signs, web pages, and illustrations. These strategies are used in the workplace to draw attention and provide documentation. Human resources is required to post certain visuals throughout the workplace to comply with safety laws, using tools of technology. Multimedia is content that uses a combination of different content forms, such as text, audio, images, animations, video, and interactive content. Multimedia contrasts with media that use only rudimentary computer displays such as text-only or traditional forms of printed or hand-produced material. Video is an electronic medium for the recording, copying, playback, broadcasting, and display of moving visual media. Sound recording and reproduction is an electrical, mechanical, electronic, or digital inscription and recreation of sound waves, such as spoken voice, singing, instrumental music, or sound effects. Purposive communication. Sherlyn May DeClayan, BSP First Year,